More information about the effects of these foods on the body. Fried chicken. It contains saturated fats and high calories. Excessive consumption can lead to weight gain and belly fat. Potato chips. Loaded with extra fats and high salt, it may cause water retention and abdominal bloating. Sugary drinks. Liquid sweets add to calorie intake and promote abdominal fat accumulation. Ice cream. High in fats and sugars, frequent consumption can lead to extra weight and belly fat. Pizza. It contains fats, sugars, and high salt, which can contribute to weight gain and belly fat. Processed pastries. These have excess fats and high sugar content, contributing to weight gain and belly fat. Fast food burgers. High in saturated fats and calories, excessive consumption can lead to weight gain and belly fat. Sugary cereals. Breakfast cereals high in sugar can contribute to extra weight and belly fat. White bread. White bread contains simple carbohydrates that can promote belly fat. Alcohol. Alcohol is calorie-dense and excessive consumption can lead to fat accumulation in the abdominal area. It can also affect metabolism and reduce fat-burning processes. The best way to prevent belly fat is to avoid excessive consumption of these foods and combine them with a balanced diet and regular physical activity.